Whether you believe it or not, the 3 applications we are going to show you will pay you to do nothing. You are not required to do any surveys, offers, or recommendations. Now, our method will not make you rich, but it is free, and honestly, where else can you find a place that will pay you for free and require you to do nothing? So in any case, today's method is still a great opportunity for all of us, and we advise that you stick around to find out exactly what we are talking about. Now, the methods that we are going to show you are 100% free. You don't need to invest anything or make any cash or anything like that. These apps are supposedly available worldwide, so make sure that you try them out and see for yourself. Our methods for today can be done on just your mobile phones, so there is literally no excuse not to try these apps out and start earning. So do it. Make sure you watch the full video so you don't get confused about today's strategy, and make sure you don't skip ahead so you don't miss out on any important details, because if you skip ahead, chances are you won't receive the desired results. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. We will be presenting you the apps from lowest to highest earning. So if you want to go to the top paying website, we recommend that you watch this video till the very end. Now, our first website for today is called Lifecoin, and you can check out their website by typing in lifecoin.ai, and this is what you should see next. As you can see, it states get paid to walk, and you can download this in both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry if that is one of your concerns. Redeem for amazing prices. Your life coins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more. We are always adding new items, so check daily to see our latest prices. So some of the featured items for this fine day would be an iPhone X, 100 on PayPal, a drone, a 50 Amazon gift card, Apple AirPods, iTunes gift cards, an Apple Watch, a complexion kit, and some great activities. Turn daily walks into mining sessions. Collect life coins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. Basically, you earn by simply just walking and walking. It is nothing. It is what we do all the time to go from point A to point B. Literally, even if you only walk from your bedroom to the living room and back, you aren't even from that within this app. If you look it up on the Play Store or the App Store, and to change things up, this is how you would look it up on the App Store. Now, as you can see, it has a 4.6 rating out of 5, which is absolutely great. So make sure that you look this up and try this out, and then let us know in the comments down below how this app goes for you. Since we mentioned that you can do this on your phone, we also want to know what devices you are on, and if you are an Android or an iOS user, leave a comment down below to let us know. Our next app is called Tiki, and to go to their website, just go on to mytiki.com, and this is what you should see. Your data, your decisions. It is simple. Your data is yours with Tiki. See what data you share online and make informed decisions on who else can see it. Best of all, if you choose to share, we make sure you get paid in our future. The people take power back from corporations. Make together the key users will try to join us. Now, how this app works is that it pays you to share your data, because many apps such as Instagram and Facebook do not pay you to reveal your data. So why not do what you do on social media, but be paid by Tiki? You can see what data companies are collecting on you, how it is used, and how secure it really is. Control who has access to your data and for what purpose. It is your decision, and monetize your data. Get paid your fair share and even decide who gets access. How does Tiki work? Just link your existing account to the Tiki app to get started. With Tiki, you are in control. Take back your data and get paid your fair share. Data should be easy. The more people sign up, the better the pay. We need your input. We are building this for you and payday. You sign up here in the bottom part of the page by inputting your email, sending it in, and then reading. Make sure that you try this website too. Now, our final and ultimate app is one that we have actually already discussed, but because it is such a terrific do-nothing get-paid website, we wanted to bring it back for anyone who missed it in one of our old older videos. This website is called Honeygain, and to visit it, simply go to honeygain.com. Passive income effortlessly with Honeygain. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Easy way to start earning passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a stream of platform, subscription, unlock, exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for gains or access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for once you start using Honeygain. Your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. You can earn $19 per month by doing nothing and doing it on 3 devices. So imagine how much you might earn every month by doing nothing and letting it run on its own. The steps would be to set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Knuckles, or Android devices with a stable internet connection. Then run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection and never gaining access to your personal data, then let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that is publicly available online and then help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparisons, and other verified business processes. And last but not the least, get paid. Users are in BTC money for all the traffic they share, and you can choose to receive your payouts in PayPal or BTC. So, what are you waiting for? Try all 3 of these websites or apps that make money for you passively and let us know how it goes. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.